In this new Excel tutorial, I will guide you how to generate random phone numbers in Excel. The first is the standard method, which is the easiest way to generate a 10-digit number. So for this, you need to use the formula, put the equal sign, type rand between, open the bracket and put the 10 digits number. For example, 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1 and put the comma space and type the numbers in between you want to insert. For example, 987655678 and close the bracket and hit enter. And here you can see that a random number is generated. So use the fill handle to find the random numbers for every name. And here you can see that easily. So make sure every time you change the name, for example, I write Mark Taylor. And here you can see that the number has been changed. So make sure you need to copy the cells and paste in. Right click, go to the paste special and values. So this will paste the data log and number in place. Another way is the country code method to make them look like real contact list data. You can use prefix them with the country code, and so you need to put the formula, put the equal sign, double quote, for example, plus 91, hit the space, double quote, space, use the ampersand and space, type rand between, open the bracket and type 10 digits. For example, 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1 and comma space and type the 10 digits you want to insert between numbers. For example, 965477896 and close the bracket and hit enter. And here you can see that, and to drag the fill handle values to insert the every name. So here you can see that a prefix country code has been added with the random numbers. So another pro tip, use the text function to add dashes. For this you need to use this formula, equal sign, put the text, open the bracket, rand between and open the bracket, type the 10 digits. For example, 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1 comma and space and the numbers which you want to in between them. For example, 987545678 and close the bracket, comma, put the double quote and type 30 dash and another 70 to complete the digits 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 and put the double quote and close the bracket and hit enter. And here you can see that a dash has been added. Use the fill handle to drag the other values. And here you can see that. So if you think this video saved your time, please like and subscribe for more Excel productivity tips. Thanks for watching.